Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just gonna do a quick how-to on how to touch up your lace and make sure that it's matching your skin tone on your lace wigs. Basically what I do is I start off using a concealer that's pretty close to my skin tone. You can use one you can use whatever you put under your eye if it's not too light. If you use a different color for cleaning up your eyebrows, you can use that one as well. But yeah, so I basically just go in the middle of the part. I don't put it too much on where the hair is, because I'm gonna go back and put some more eyeshadows on to make it look more natural. So right now, I just washed this wig not too long ago. All my wig and hair information will be below. I did make this wig unit, and I did color it myself. I do sell hair, so my my information, the website, and everything will be listed below in the description. This wig started off blonde, and I was really rushing it because I was just being really impatient, guys. I'm not even gonna lie to you. So when it came to dyeing the roots of the frontal, I didn't go as low as I normally would. Like, if you were to look on my website, I have a picture of my sister's wig that I made that was purple, and it got way closer. And my blue wig as well, that started off blonde. So with this one, I was just really in a rush, so the roots are still kind of blonde, which is why the part looks wider than it actually is. It's actually just the blonde hair pieces. So that's why I'm going in and putting some concealer on to get that looking kind of brown. So next, after you're done with your concealer, you can go back in with, I use it was kind of like a brown eyeshadow. I'll have the exact one that I used listed below. No, this wasn't a brown eyeshadow. It was actually a set powder from Zuri, and the shade is Nuit. I got it from Walmart. I haven't seen it in a while, but I do think they still have it online. So if you wanted to get that one, it's still available. This color, I concentrate more on the hair strands than in the middle where the actual lace is, just because, yeah, I already put the concealer where the lace is. So now I'm just trying to get the blonde strands to look more of a natural color. Alright, so now I'm going in and putting some black eyeshadow right where the hair is. So right next to the braid, I'm touching all of the blonde spots so that it can blend seamlessly and make the part look smaller. Because like I said, the blonde hairs is making it look like there's a big part when there really isn't. So I'm just hitting all those pieces of hair that should have been dyed in the first place, and just making it look like hair. Now the eyeshadow I'm using is not pure black, but I'll have it listed below as well. It's from my Tartelette in Bloom palette. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So you basically just keep adding your products until you are satisfied. right, hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.